On Sunday night around 11:30 p.m., a woman waiting for a bus at KR Market in Bengaluru was assaulted and robbed. She had asked two men for directions to a bus going to Yalanka. Claiming to help, the men led her to go down street where they sexually assaulted her and took her cash, jewelry and mobile phone. The victim reported the incident to the SJ Park police station. Acting on her complaint, the police arrested two suspects, both laborers, and are investigating further with the help of CCTV footage from the area. Bengaluru Police Commissioner B. Dayananda confirmed the arrest, stating that efforts are ongoing to gather more details about the incident. BJP State President B.Y. Vijayendra criticized the state government over the incident, raising concerns about safety and law enforcement in Karnataka. He urged authorities to take strict action against the culprits and ensure public security.
ಸೆಂಟ್ರಲ್ ವುಮೆನ್ ಅದು ಎಜೆ ಪಾರ್ಕ್ ಭಾಗದಲ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ಘಟನೆ. ಇಬ್ಬರು ಆರೋಪಿಗಳನ್ನು ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ. ಅದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಷನ್ ಮತ್ತು ಈ ಸೆಕ್ಷುವಲ್ ಅಸಾಲ್ಟ್ ಅಂತ ಅವರು ಕಂಪ್ಲೇಂಟ್ ಅನ್ನು ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಅದ್ರ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಇಬ್ಬರು ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳನ್ನ ಅದರಲ್ಲಿ ಈಗಾಗಲೇ ಬಂಧಿಸಲಾಗಿದೆ.